Hi guys, my name is Ferdinand Risma. I am a media buying specialist. I run ads, Facebook and Instagram ads mostly for clients. I help them get more leads and sales through social media advertising. And in this video, I'm going to share a case study, how I helped a gift shop client from the Philippines, from Manila, um, scale their business to six figures within 2 months. So, I hope na may value kayong makukuha sa video na to guys. I'm gonna share tips, strategies yung ginawa namin, what we did to scale their business. Alright, so huwag na natin patagalin pa and let's go to my laptop. Alright, so welcome to the case study. So, a little bit of overview. In September 2020, Lawrence Flowers and Gifts started to see a decline in their brand reach. Also, wala na masyadong quality leads sa pumapasok. Engagement and sales on Facebook due to the algorithm changes and, of course, the pandemic. So, business versus pandemic, no? What did we do? Since the decline, we decided to make a UGC or user generated content that will specifically target the right audience for their business. Now, why UGC? We wanted to focus on UGC since they were selling gifts. We wanted to focus on capturing, the customers' emotion. That way, it would be easier to sell the service or product. Kasi people, mostly are driven by emotions. The average weekly reach nearly tripled at the beginning of the experiment. The page's average daily engagement also doubled as well as their increase, resulting to six-figure per month. User-generated content, instead of posting standard links, quick captions, we began to experiment with different formats such as post and multi-paragraph captions and videos. So dito kasi mas nakikita nung mga customer yung emotion ng clients na nabigyan nila ng gift. So what they did was at while delivering the gifts, nagbi-video sila, surprise ganon. Tapos pinapa-upload namin sa YouTube. Ayan, that in that way parang magiging ano to nila, parang ano tawag dito, case studies or no, it's not case studies. Portfolio kumbaga, it adds credibility and customers will actually see na people are already enjoying your product or service. 'Di ba? And then by doing that strategy, it made them look like a more trustworthy, friendly flower and gift shop that was actually interested to help people who wants to make their loved ones feel a little extra even though it's pandemic. So the strategy again, we focused on running Facebook ads, user generated content. Sample ito, nag 3 million views to na video na to na ads and we were only spending 1,000 pesos per day on the campaign. Step 2, targeting the audience. Since this client were only using Boost Post, you know, nag-structure kami ng mas professional way na campaign and simplified their campaign structure. So this is what we used. So on the campaign level, of course, messaging campaign, it's still the best and cheapest campaign objective as of this date. Inside the campaign, we will launch and test three different audience ad sets, and then on each audience may tatatlong creatives option ganon, iba-iba, video, photo, tinetest namin. So yeah, just to uh, let you guys see, this is the client, Lawrence, Flowers and Gifts. Almost 100K na sila, and then their videos gets a lot of engagement dahil nga focus to sa user-generated content, which is actually nice, and nag-a-add talaga siya ng, nabuboost siya ng leads, sales. It would be easier for the client to sell once nakita na credible, may engagement, ganun. will be easier for the client to sell their product or service. And then, step 3, of course, messaging campaign ginamit natin. This clients have been with us for almost a year now. Client pa rin namin sila ngayon. We're still running ads for them. Right now naman yung strategy namin is nagbago kami. We're trying to target OFWs, no? So, maganda kasi pag OFW, so let's say we're targeting people in the US. Pag nakikita nila na, oh, gusto ko ding i-surprise si mama, papa, families who, OFWs who have families back here in the Philippines, that would be much easier to sell to those clients. Plus, those clients would actually pay premium since they have, budget kasi nagtatrabaho nga sila sa ibang bansa. Sobrang napadali yung pagbenta nila dahil nga focusing tayo sa UGC, user-generated content, nakaka-capture talaga yung emotions ng mga tao, umiiyak, ganun. And then, of course, if ako, nasa abroad din ako, nakita ko na may isang mama na surprise ng Lawrence Flower and Gifts, of course, matatouch ako, magiging emotional na ako, and then, of course, resulting, mag-order din ako, papasurprise ko din si mama and papa ko. All right, and we even have a testimonial na from them, which is pretty cool.
Hi
Ayan,
everyone,
si
I'm
Ma'am
Faye
Vane Milares from
from
Lawrence Flowers and Gifts.
I would like to thank
Nag-testimonial na sila sa
and
amin.
his team.
So, takeaway, creative videos that intrigue and inform your audience about a topic they relate to can be much more effective way to gain and keep your audience. Once the audience trusts you and consumes your content regularly, they might even trust and gain interest in your products. So, guys, if you're on the gift shop niche, probably guys, UGC is the best. UGC talaga, user generated content, one of the best strategy. And then we're for this brand, we're trying to scale them past to 7 figures. Right now, kumikita naman sila, there's steady flow ng leads and clients. But gusto pa namin i-scale talaga to na brand, and hopefully within this year ma-scale namin. Lalo na Christmas is coming. One of the busiest days talaga to for this brand pag Christmas. And we're trying to implement din yung parang referral strategy. So, let's say a client, na-try ko na yung service nila, and then pinopromote namin na, ma'am, mag-refer ka sa amin ng friends nyo na need ng service namin. We're gonna give you a discount or coupon on your next purchase, to focus also on, to promote also the lifetime customer value. So, yeah, yun yung ginagawa namin for this client right now. And I do hope that you guys may take away kayo. Let me know in the comments down below ano natutunan nyo on this case study. And if may question kayo, I'd be happy to answer them in the comments. Or you can message me on my Facebook. I'm gonna put a link down below. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If may value kayo nakuha, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Thank you.